Hi there, superstars. Welcome back. Today we're diving into the amazing, the incredible, the 4 times table. Are you ready to level up your math skills and have some fun? Ready? Let's go. Question 1. What is 4 times 6? Is it A, 23, B, 22, or C, 24? The answer is C, 24. Great job. Question 2. What is 4 times 2? Is it A, 8, B, 7, or C, 6? The answer is A, 8. Fantastic. Question 3. What is 4 times 8? Is it A, 33, B, 32, or C, 30? The answer is B, 32. You're on fire. Question 4. What is 4 times 0? Is it A, 0, B, 4, or C, 1? The answer is A, 0. Well done. Question 5. What is 4 times 5? Is it A, 21, B, 22, or C, 20? The answer is C, 20. Keep going. Question 6. What is 4 times 4? Is it A, 15, B, 16, or C, 14? The answer is B, 16. Awesome work. Question 7. What is 4 times 1? Is it A, 6, B, 5, or C, 4? The answer is C, 4. You got it. Question 8. What is 4 times 10? Is it A, 41, B, 38, or C, 40? The answer is C, 40. Nice job. Question 9. What is 4 times 7? Is it A, 27, B, 28, or C, 29? The answer is B, 28. Great work. Question 10. What is 4 times 9? Is it A, 37, B, 36, or C, 35? The answer is B, 36. Fantastic. Question 11. What is 4 times 3? Is it A, 11, B, 12, or C, 13? The answer is B, 12. Well done. Question 12. What is 4 times 2? Is it A, 9, B, 7, or C, 8? The answer is C, 8. Great job. Question 13. What is 4 times 8? Is it A, 31, B, 32, or C, 30? The answer is B, 32. You're doing awesome. Question 14. What is 4 times 4? Is it A, 14, B, 16, or C, 15? The answer is B, 16. Amazing. Question 15. What is 4 times 5? Is it A. 20, B. 21, or C. 19? The answer is A. 20. Great work. Question 16. What is 4 times 6? Is it A. 22, B. 23, or C. 24? The answer is C. 24. Nice job. Question 17. What is 4 times 0? Is it A. 0, B. 1, or C. 4? The answer is A. 0. Keep it up. Question 18. What is 4 times 10? Is it A. 40, B. 41, or C. 39? The answer is A. 40. Awesome. Question 19. What is 4 times 7? Is it A. 29, B. 28, or C. 27? The answer is B. 28. Great job. Question 20. What is 4 times 9? Is it A. 36, B. 35, or C. 37? The answer is A. 36. Amazing. Well done, Math Whiz. You crushed the 4 times table. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you next time.